Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic while loop in detail. So, when to use the while loop? At the beginning of the loop, when you don't know how many times you need to execute a certain line of code in a loop, we choose while loop. This is the syntax for the while loop. It starts with the keyword while and it is followed by an expression or a condition based upon which we need to run the loop. The statement should be processed based upon the condition comes the next, and the entire statement is indented. The Python will process all the content in the indent block in a loop till the condition is true. Once the condition is false, the code will exit the loop and move to the next line of the program. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding about how the while loop works. In this example, we have assigned the value 0 to the variable I. And in our while loop, we are checking the condition if I is less than or equal to 10. If the condition is true, we are incrementing I by 1 and we are printing the value. In our case, the loop run till the condition is met, which is 11 times the loop will run. During the 12th iteration, the value of I will be 11. So the 11 is not less than or equal to 10. In that case, our condition fails and exit the loops. Now the program will move to the next line, which is the program end line. Now we will run the program and look into the results. If you guys notice, during the first iteration, the value of I is 0, which was initialized, and it is incremented by 1. And the value of I is incremented to 2 during the second iteration, and so on. After the 11th iteration, the value of I is equal to 11 and our condition fails, so the program does not enter into our indent block. It exits the loop and moves to the next line of the program. I believe you guys understood the concept of while loop in detail. See you guys in the next video.